In this video, I'll be showing you how to use points in Pop. So once you have created an account, you want to go up to the membership, click on the membership button here, and then go down. This is where you can access your points and you can find ways to earn more points. So ways to earn points, signing up, and if you follow them on Instagram, they will give you a free 100 points, and then you get 1 point per $1 purchase. If you click on redeem now, I'll bring you to this page. So here it says 100 points equals $5. So every $5 that you spend, you will earn 500 points, I believe. So once you have the points, you can press redeem here, press yes. That will give you a code in which you can use at a checkout when you're purchasing an item. So let's go ahead and find that quickly. They will also give you a free code upon sign up that will be emailed to your email account. So once you have added an item to a cart, go to your cart. So here, press checkout when you're ready to pay for the item. And then here, you'll be able to apply the discount code, press apply. So yeah, I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.